Hey, we are getting a closer look at what's left of a house that exploded in Tate Township. The Bethel Tate fire chief confirmed 2 people were killed, 1 person injured in yesterday's blast. The chief told WCPO that 20 to 30 cats were also found dead. Several cats survived. WCPO 9 News reporter Sam Harrell-Simowitz joining us live right by that house. Sam, what can you show us tonight?
Look like I'm going to take a couple steps closer to the scene because what the explosion did is it basically turned this house inside out. We can see insulation across numerous yards here across the entire neighborhood. We can see a bathtub laying out here in the front yard, a scorched car, and there's frames and inside materials across this entire area. Our crews have been here for hours today, and throughout the entire afternoon, dozens of people have come by to see this scene for themselves. Many left in disbelief at the devastation that's been left behind.
I would say a tornado took it down, but everything else around is perfectly fine.
Residents tell us the explosion could be felt and heard over a mile away.
It's like it was so loud, and they actually felt the shake.
A space where a house once stood, becoming a pile of broken beams and shattered glass. That explosion caught on camera from just across the road and even down the street. WCPO obtained this video from a neighbor showing the moment the explosion happened.
There's nothing. It's literally leveled and just some rubbish. It's just destroyed. Devastating.
Smoke and debris shot into the sky. The explosion sent insulation and other debris to nearby yards. We also learned from the Bethel Tate Fire Department that along with the 2 people that were killed, 20 to 30 cats were found dead in the rubble. The Bethel Tate Fire Chief said along with the cats found at the scene, more than a dozen were transported to a vet's office. Only a few survived.
And it's just the animals that got hurt and the people that are hurt and still in the hospital, and then the deceased ones. It's just devastating.
The Ohio State Fire Marshal's office is investigating whatever caused this house to be left in ruin. The Claremont County Coroner's Office has not yet revealed the identities of the people that were found inside. Now, live reporting here in Bethel, Sam Harrell-Simowitz, WCPO 9 News.
All right.